Radio, we're all about giving you the most for your money, and we do that by making the most of what you already have while adding what you don't have. Now, most times when people come in and they say, I just want a good sound system, they're not looking for something crazy, they're not looking for something, real low level, they want something that's just nice. What they're referring to is a lack of power. They may think they need new speakers, they may think they need a new radio, but 9 times out of 10, what they really need is more power. That's why we have created our passive systems. Our passive systems use an amplifier, such as a 4-channel or a 5-channel amplifier, to amplify your factory speakers and then add a subwoofer. So you're getting a new subwoofer to give you the bass that you don't have. You're getting an amplifier to add power to the speakers that you already own, which may be brand new and not blown, but simply can take some more power to give you some more output. But also, at the same time, you're creating a foundation that later you can build upon. So later on down the road, when it comes time to upgrade to one of our speaker sets here, you can simply upgrade the speakers, retune the amplifier, and you're done. Now, this is all about giving you the best system that we can give you for the money that you've got to invest into it. But at the end of the day, nobody can tell you what your ears like best than your ears themselves. So come on down and take a listen.